Hi boys and girls, I hope you're having a good start to your Thursday morning. You should have already read in my daily assignments, but I am looking forward to seeing you all at our classroom community circle time at 10 this morning. So that'll be a really fun way for us to see each other's faces and share some things that we want to tell our classmates. The next thing is to make sure that you are on the lookout for Mrs. Booth's next video that she's going to send out. I know she kind of kept you on your toes by sending one out the other day and not telling you exactly what it was. So watch out for that. You're going to have a really fun Friday. I'm really excited for you. So be looking forward to that. But I wanted to take some time to go over a few things that you're going to be doing today for your lessons at home. So I'm starting with grammar. That's the first thing on our assignments. And we talked about prefixes and suffixes in class, so you should be familiar with this. But today our grammar focuses on a suffix. And what suffixes are they a group of letters added to the end of a base word. And suffixes change the meaning of our word, okay? So if I look at the base word teach, and I have an ER suffix ending, that has a meaning, and it means one who. So my new word is teacher, and it's not just the action of teaching, it's actually one who teaches. My next word is act, and my suffix is OR. That also means one who. So my new word is actor, one who acts. Notice that my ER and OR endings have the same meaning. So what you need to do is figure out which words are spelled with an OR or which words are spelled with an ER when you come across the suffixes that mean one who. My next base word is sleep, and if I add an ing and I get sleeping, that means the action of doing it, okay? So the action of sleeping. If it was gardening, it would be the action of working in the garden, okay? If it was laughing, it would be the action of laughter. My next word is laugh, and it has an ed ending. I get laughed, and we all know that that's just the past tense meaning, so it means that it's something that already happened. My next base word is quick. My ly ending is quickly. Okay, we talked about how ly is usually when you add an ly to the end of the word, it makes it an adverb because it's the way the action is done. It was done quickly, okay? My next base word is great, N-E-S-S, ness, greatness. It's the state of, so the state of being great. Fullness, the state of being full. My last one, my base word's color. My suffix is F-U-L, so I get colorful, and it means full of color, okay? Now notice though, a lot of us want to put an extra L at the end of colorful because full, the word full of, has two L's. But when we make it a suffix, we only put one L. So if my word was powerful, full of power, it would end in one L, okay? So what you're going to be doing today after you go over that, I did the first one for you. So the word was visit, and there's 3 lines here, and in the directions it says that you need to make 3 new words with 3 different suffixes to change the meaning of visit. So I chose visitor, one who visits, and notice it's OR, not an ER ending, so you need to know how to spell this word correctly. Visited, the past tense version of to visit, and visiting, the action of doing that, okay? So that's what you're going to do for that. The next assignment is your reading assignment. So you're going to go back to your Google document in Google Classroom, and you're going to come up with 3 pieces of evidence to prove one character trait that you're going to choose for Templeton. So you need to come up with that character trait on your own, the one that you see the most of, okay, in Templeton. In your writing, today you are going to be doing the all about the author section of your book. So it's on the last page, meet the author. You can either put a picture of yourself or draw it. Yes, you do need to do this. I want you to introduce yourself, and you should start by saying what your name is. Hi, I'm Miss Stallingis, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. And I put some questions on there to help guide you on your daily assignments. How old are you? How long have you been a writer? Have you written any other books this year, which you all definitely have? What are your hobbies? Anything that you want someone to know about you. I'm sure if you look at other books at home that you have in their meet the author sections or get to know the author, you can read those for some ideas. You know, it's really cool that when you read a book and you love the author and you love their books, that you feel a connection to them by getting to know more about them. And that's what this section's all about. The second part that you're going to do today is I dedicate this book to, okay? So dedicate, who are you going to, who is someone who kind of might have helped you with this book? Who's someone that you think would be really interested in this book? I might say I dedicate this book to my yoga instructor at Core Power named Jackie, because she's the one who really inspired me to want to learn more about yoga and to really enjoy it. And it's really been a huge part of my life. So that's who I would choose to dedicate my book to. Okay? So that's what you are going to do today. And I need you to edit it. I need you to go through. I need you to use proper capitalization and punctuation. Go over it for spelling. You need to start revising on your own. Okay. The math. The math is a little bit different today, so I'm going to put a different video for you for that, explaining that and kind of giving you an example. So please be sure to watch that. That's really important. And then the last thing that you are going to be doing is taking your notes from the Declaration of Independence, and then you're going to go to your page and you need to transfer your notes onto here in complete sentences. We had to have our topic sentence and our conclusion sentence from your notes. You need to write those two things today, and then go ahead and remember we choose at least 3 facts, and you need to cite them. So if we looked back at our previous pages, which you all have, I have "You can't miss this monument that stands tall in the New York harbor. The Statue of Liberty represents freedom for all." I have my topic sentence, which I'm trying to make more exciting, not just I'm going to tell you about the Statue of Liberty. I'm going to tell you about the Declaration of Independence. Try and be more creative than that. Make sure you cite in the article or from the same article or from the video, okay? And then you need a conclusion sentence for the Declaration of Independence. And our example here for the Statue of Liberty was, when we see the Statue of Liberty, we are reminded of the victory that won us our freedom. So we did enough of these topic and conclusion sentences together, and I've seen you want to do these independently because a lot of you have come up with ideas on your own, even though we were doing it as a class. And so I want you to really try your best to come up with some creative topic and conclusion sentences. And please do not forget to cite your evidence. Where did it come from? Okay? So that is all that there is for today. I'm going to be posting your video for math, so be sure to read those directions carefully and look out for that. Okay? I will talk to you all later. Bye, friends.